Ludicrous Feed is proudly sponsored by Carloop Data and Koba Car Insurance.
Hey everyone, hope you're all well. Today I'm here to review the BYD Karaoke mic, which I believe is compatible across the BYD range, namely the Dolphin, Seal and Atto 3. It certainly does work in my BYD Seal, and I may live to regret this, but I will do a bit of singing for you towards the end of this video. So after I walk through with you this product, I will yes, blast out a tune possibly. So watch at your own risk. All right, just warning you now. So that's what the BYD Karaoke mic looks like. It's a pretty good construction. Looks like a regular mic, I guess, with a couple of controls, which I'll go through in a second. It's got a USB-C charging port on the bottom side here, which connects to an included USB-C to USB-A charging cable. So that fits into any, I guess, any USB-A port to charge, and it's pretty straightforward. But of course, to use it, it's a wireless device, and this one is the receiver, which also comes with the product, of course. Look what it says here: for your best voice. I hope so for your sake, the viewer, for your best voice. I'll try to put on my best voice later on. And that end is the USB-A cable, which plugs into the USB-A port down below here, underneath the center console of the vehicle. So that's where it goes. And there's the USB-A port there. Always 50-50 with a USB-A plug, but got lucky this time. All right, transmitter is in, so let's check it out. Okay, let's turn the car on. Start it up. Okay, let's turn the mic on. So push this button here. All right, looks like we're good to go. Okay, so let's open up the karaoke app and find a song that we can sing along to. That's probably the hardest bit, to find something in my vocal range that is not going to hurt your ears too much. So I do apologize in advance. If you make it this far in the video, you clearly want to see me sing. So pop rock, R&B, hip hop, country, Latin, standard and show tune, specialty, children, Disney, Christian, holiday. Eras, all the decades. Look at that. Oh, 90s. We have to go 90s surely. 80s, Walkman. 2000s, iPod. Drone in the 2010s. How funny. Languages, yep. Got all their bases covered here. Wow, there is a big selection. I love it. Very, very good. Yeah, and then the songs in the different categories as well. So if you're a passenger, you can actually sing along. That's particularly important because when you're driving, the lyrics won't appear on the screen, just so it's not a distraction. So when you scan the QR code, this pops up here for the passenger. And I just went into dark mode because it's now 5 o'clock, or almost 5 o'clock. So that pops up, and then you can add these songs to the queue, and then you can play along or sing along if you like, I guess. That way the driver is not distracted. So that's pretty good to know, actually. All right, well, given we're stationary, we can afford to sing along. Yeah, let's go back to home. Let's have a look at, let's go to search, go back to search artists. All right, let's go to pop. Let's see what we've got under pop. Big selection here. All right, it's got to be a guy, so it's in my vocal range here. Let's see. Rod Stewart. No, my voice is not husky enough. Backstreet Boys, Harry Styles, getting close. Robbie Williams, I'll try Robbie Williams. Angels is a good song. Better Man. All right, so before we start singing, I just want to run through some of the settings on the karaoke mic. So let's turn it on. And let's push this button here. That opens up the settings dialog right there, right? And you can adjust the main mic volume like that, up and down, like this. That's pretty cool. And then you can close it again like that. So that's very quick and easy. System volume is for, I guess, the just the general volume of the music. Oh, and it closes very quickly if you're not careful. And then reverberation is the echo. So if I test like this, 1, 2, that's how loud it is with the echo. And you can also increase it to lots of echo. 1, 2, 1, 2. So I like to have it at 4. I found that 4 is a pretty good sort of echo for my voice anyway. and then you can choose what setting you want. So you can have a recording room, you can have KTV, you can have concert hall, or you can have the original sound. So let's see what the difference is between them. So recording room, 1 2 1 2. KTV, 1 2 1 2. Concert hall, 1 2 1 2. Ooh, a lot more echo. The original sound, it's just my voice. And then up here in this corner, you can play with more settings. So reset system settings. You can have the ambient as well, which I believe is the lighting around the car. So of course we must have the ambient lighting on. It just wouldn't be the same otherwise, right?
Alright, Robbie. I'm sorry. I'm about to butcher your song. I'm sorry to everyone else as well. Let's do this. Send someone to love me. I need to rest in arms. Keep me safe from harm in the pouring rain. Give me endless summer. Lord, I feel the cold. Feel I'm getting old before my time. As my soul heals the shame, I will grow through this pain. Lord, I'm doing all I can to be a better man. Yeah, stick with me. Go easy on my conscience, 'cause it's not my fault. I know I've been told to take the blame. Rest assured my angels will catch my tears, walk me out of here. I'm in pain as my soul heals the shame. I will grow through this pain. Lord, I'm doing all I can to be a better man. Yeah, feeling it now. Here we go. Once you found that lover, you're homeward bound. Love is all around. Love is all around. I know some have fallen on stony ground, but love is all around. I think the lights are dancing. Send someone to love me. I need to rest in arms. Keep me safe from harm in the pouring rain. Give me endless summer. Lord, I fear the cold. Feel I'm getting old before my time. As my soul heals the shame, I will grow through this pain. Lord, I'm doing all I can to be a better man. Almost there. Any more? I think that might be it. That might be it, everyone. Yeah, I think that might be it. Well, you've heard everything now. You've heard an Asian man singing karaoke, not drunk, in his BYD Seal. That's it. There's nothing more to life. Thanks, everyone. That's the BYD mic in my BYD Seal, singing A Better Man by Robbie Williams. I don't think I'll be able to monetize this video, but you saw the dancing lights too. That was pretty cool. Yeah. All right, well, apologies if you made it this far, and yeah, that's pretty impressive that you endured all my singing through this video. So thanks for watching. Until the next Ludicrous Feed video, happy charging. In arms, keep me safe from harm in the pouring rain. Give me endless summer, Lord, I fear the cold. Feel I'm getting old before my time.